Roundabouts are one of the most common places where new drivers get confused. Who has the priority, when to signal and which lane to use. In this video, I will explain exactly how to drive in a roundabout according to the Swedish transport agency, Transportstyrelsen. Simple, clear and by the book. A roundabout is a place officially designated as a traffic roundabout by local or country authorities. You will know it's a roundabout when you see this blue circular sign with white arrows. Every vehicle must drive anti-clockwise around it, always to the left, and give way to the vehicles already in sight. When you approach a roundabout, remember, you must give way to traffic already in the roundabout. Giving way means you should slow down in good time and if necessary stop before entering. You can only go when you doing so doesn't cause any danger or hinder other road users. In simple words, wait for a safe gap, check both sides and enter smoothly. When entering, there are no special rules about signaling because there is only one direction to go anti-clockwise. But you should always choose the correct lane before entering. Follow any road signs or markings that show lane directions, for example right lane for turning right, left lane for turning left or going straight. Also remember, large vehicle might need more than one lane, so give them space. Inside the roundabout, if you change lanes, you must use your direction indicator. Make sure it's safe, no danger or unnecessary hindrance to others. If another driver is signaling to move into your lane, adapt your speed and let them in safely. Roundabouts are about smooth cooperation, not a competition. When you are about to exit the roundabout, always indicate right to let others know that you are leaving. Ideally exit from the right hand lane whenever possible. If you exit from the left lane, pay extra attention to cars on your right. They might continue around the roundabout while you are exiting. Remember, leaving from the left lane means you are effectively changing lanes. So mirrors and blind spot checks are essential. So to sum up, drive anti-clockwise, give way to vehicles already in, choose your lane early, use indicators when changing lanes or exiting, always stay calm and predictable. Follow these rules and you will handle any roundabout safely. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and share with other learners preparing for the driving test in Sweden. All the best, lycka till för ditt körkort. Hej då!